Hey everybody, Ali Flores again here with OrlandoVacation.com, and you guessed it, we got another video for you. All right, what to do in Orlando with limited time. Here are the 3 best half-day experiences in Central Florida. But before we get into all of that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so that you can get notified of when these awesome videos are popping up. All right, let's get to it. Orlando, Florida is the world theme park center that needs no introduction. The majority of the parks and attractions here are so vast and full of activities that they require a full day or more to experience them fully. It's a lot of fulls. However, if you're pressed for time or have a packed schedule, there are some amazing family-friendly parks and attractions you can cover in as little as half a day. But which parks are those? Well, let's dive in. Ooh, yeah, one of my favorites, Fun Spot America. Even though Fun Spot is a major attraction, it is also, paradoxically, an amazing choice for family-friendly half-day of fun. It is a family-owned theme park that promises families safe and clean fun. It is home to many exciting, thrilling, and fascinating rides and attractions, and the nighttime here deserves specific mention. Once the sun sets, the whole park is lit up magnificently, showing its new face of twinkling beauty. There are some amazing attractions at Fun Spot America you don't want to miss. Okay, Fun Spot America Orlando Gator Spot. If you want to see alligators in their element but can't dedicate a whole day at Gatorland, Fun Spot's Gator Spot has you covered. It's a special area in the theme park where you can watch crocs and alligators eat, sleep, and bask in the sun. It's spread over a whopping 15,000 square feet, giving you plenty of opportunities to see these reptiles up close. One of the best experiences to watch these beasts eat. So make sure you head there at 4 o'clock at the feeding time. Ooh, yeah, this is a good one too. Sky Coaster Fun Spot does not lack high thrill, or the Sky Coaster. Okay, so Fun Spot does not lack high thrill rides, as it houses the second tallest sky coaster in the world. It is for those who want to squeeze an adrenaline rush in a half-a-day trip. It has room for 3 riders at once, and you can ride with friends or family. Once you step in the small lift, hold your breath and get ready to be launched 250 feet above the ground and experience what it must be like to fly. Ooh. Fun Spot has exciting rides for little ones too. Frog Hopper is probably the best of all. It has a perfect balance of thrill and safety. This ride can accommodate 6 children at once and raises them in the air. Then the view from above is breathtaking, especially for the children. Little ones are warned the ride is full of tummy tickles. Oh, that's that feeling you get, tummy tickles. All right, next on our list is Peppa Pig Theme Park. Peppa Pig Theme Park is next to Legoland, Florida, and is the no-nonsense half-day park choice if you have a party of excited children. It is an immersive experience in the world of the kid-favorite Peppa Pig. Everything from rides to attractions and food is designed to be part of Peppa's world. Let us see the promising attractions it has for fun-filled family holiday. Daddy Pig's Roller Coaster. This kid-friendly ride where Daddy Pig from the cartoon takes you on an adventure in his red car. It's amazing. It is a roller coaster that is both thrilling and safe for little tots. All right. The Peppa Pig's Balloon Ride is a unique way of traveling the skies with Peppa Pig and your family. The view from the top is lovely as you ride in Miss Rabbit's hot air balloon. Next, you got Grampy's Rabbit's Dinosaur Adventure. This last ride worth mentioning is your children's chance to ride on the back of a dinosaur and experience prehistoric surprises throughout the ride. As parents, you can ride with your little daredevils if you wish. Now, if you're like me, you're wondering about the food. Always. Lastly, the food at Peppa Pig Theme Park is full of delicious options at Miss Rabbit's Diner. Here you'll enjoy delights like sandwiches, fruit cups, apple juice, quinoa cups, margarita-style flatbread, and a juicy smoked brisket melt on herbed focaccia bread. The third place of interest is Kennedy Space Center. Last on the list for exciting half-day spots in Orlando is that Kennedy Space Center Visitors Complex, Florida. It is slightly different from other spots on the list as it offers families an educationally fun day. Make sure to be there at 10 a.m. when the park opens up. It fills up early, so let us now see some of the best attractions this park offers. Ooh, the Apollo Saturn V exhibit. Before we discuss what this attraction promises, here's a word of advice. The Apollo Saturn V is a first come, first serve exhibit. So it is another part of the complex and you have to make a shuttle reservation to get there. Therefore, reserve your time for the exhibit visit at the sign-up station as soon as possible. This exhibit gives you an experience of the moon landing. It features Apollo moon landing missions and you get a chance to walk on the dusty lunar surface in the form of a simulation and touch a real moon rock. The Apollo Saturn V exhibit will leave you wanting to experience what it's like to travel in a shuttle, and the Kennedy Space Center has that in store for you too. Experience the simulation of a shuttle lift, complete with the shaking and G-force that astronauts experience in real shuttles. Even though it is a simulation, it's one of the closest experiences you have to a real space shuttle liftoff. Ooh, you got the Space Shuttle Atlantis. Space Shuttle Atlantis is probably the most impressive exhibit you can experience at the Kennedy Space Center. It's a full-scale model of the rocket and the external fuel tank used to launch shuttles. You also get a chance to see a video about the shuttle program on the giant screen. It's an educational and exhilarating experience that doesn't leave out any good details. The movie also includes 2 loud sonic booms the shuttle makes while landing. With this list of half-day experiences in your arsenal, you can now get the most out of cramped days and experience some of the best theme parks in Orlando, Florida. All right, if you're looking for more tips and tricks for your next Orlando vacation or need help planning, be sure to check out our website at orlandovacation.com, where we offer the best discounted prices and offer a wide variety of blogs to help you make the most out of your Orlando vacation. All right, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.